Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today I'm going to show you how to make this bubblegum flavored milkshake. Now this is delicious, so I hope you keep watching. I'll show you step by step how to make this. Now the first thing I'm going to do is start off by decorating our glass. I have this long skinny glass and I'm going to decorate the top of it. And to do that, I've already made some buttercream frosting. This is just regular buttercream frosting. And I'm going to color this with some food coloring, and I'm going to color it pink. There we go. Now let's come back to our glass, and we can just put some of this around the rim. We want to decorate around the rim of that glass. And you can get some on the inside and the outside. Put a good amount on there. And you can even like go down the sides a little bit. And once you have that all covered on the top, we can just take some sprinkles. I'm going to use these colorful rainbow sprinkles, but you can do any way you like. And I'm going to put some of those on there as well. I'm just going to go around and dip it in. That's pretty good. And I'm also going to decorate it with these are little chocolate balls, but they look a lot like gumballs, so let's decorate it with some of those as well. And you can just push it on the top here. And I think that's pretty good. Now we're going to get to making our milkshake. For the milkshake part, I'm going to start off with some ice cream here. And I'm going to put about 3 to 4 scoops of ice cream. So that's about 4 scoops of ice cream into our blender. I'm also going to add about 1 cup of milk. Also going to add a cup of ice cubes because I want it to be nice and thick, and the ice cream makes it thick, but the ice cubes also thicken it up a bit. I'm going to flavor it with this bubblegum flavoring. You can get this, I'll put a link to it below where you can get a hold of some. I just find it to work really great, and you don't need very much of this. About a half a teaspoon is all you need. It's very flavorful. And I'm also going to put some more pink food coloring in here as well. Now just put your lid on and we can blend this up. Alright, so that looks delicious. I can't wait to pour it in our glass and decorate it, and then of course drink it. Alright, so we're going to pour this into our glass, and I'm just going to use a spoon so I can separate the big chunks so it doesn't hit the sides. And now we got to top it off, of course, with some whipped cream. Maybe a few more sprinkles. And I have some of this tape bubble gum, which I am going to roll out, and let's do it this way. I'm going to take my straw, kind of punch a hole in it, and have the bubble gum kind of decorate the straw. There you go. It didn't work out the way I wanted it to with the bubble gum, but hey, it'll be alright. And then I have this rock candy. I just thought it looked nice with a little rock candy in there. Now that looks amazing. Well, now it's time for the taste test. I'm going to give this a go and see how it tastes. Bubblegummy. Lots of bubblegum flavor in here. You're going to love this if you're a bubblegum lover. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching me make this bubblegum flavored milkshake. This was a lot of fun to make and it tasted amazing. I hope you get a chance to make it for yourself. And if you do, please share with me on any of my social media at FunFoodsYT. For right now, check out some of the videos I have off to the side. I think you may enjoy those as well. And if you're not already subscribed, hit that big red subscribe button. You get new videos all the time. And be sure to hit the little bell notification so you'll be notified when I put a new video out. Until then, I'll see you next time.